Mustang. What is up, guys? Finn here, and today I am cruising around trying to find some gas. So thanks to good old Hurricane Irma, I'm having a hard time getting gas from anywhere. I guess he don't want to play. Yeah, thanks to the hurricane, everyone just seems to freak out anytime anything's happening. Solar eclipse happened, I think people started filling up on gas and stuff, just because when people aren't used to things, they just tend to freak out. I'm up in, right now I'm like in the heart of Woodstock, Georgia. And I can tell you that the gas is starting to go. So I'm going out trying to get me a little bit of that fuel before it's just completely gone. One gas station was already out of my stuff that I use. Alrighty, so let's see how many gas stations it's going to take to find some gas. This is number one at a Kroger gas station. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this Jeep's finding out the same news. There is no gas here whatsoever. No nothing. All three grades, they don't have any of it. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. I have no idea where I'm going to go to find some gas. It is basically gone. This might get rough. I'm going to end up running out of gas just trying to fill up for a ride. Jaguar. Well, there you have it. There's gas station number 2. And no gas whatsoever. They've got diesel, but that's it. Too bad Becky don't run on diesel or we'd have a good chance. Look, everyone's out of gas, so they're just switching to coffee. That's a Starbucks right there. Everyone's like, oh, I gotta get coffee. So yeah, guys, all my hopes and prayers go out to those people down in Florida. I'm hoping it's not a repeat of Texas, but it seems like that's exactly what's about to happen. It really sucks. I've got a older sister that lives in Florida. She's actually heading this way right now to come stay with my family because it is staying safe where they're at. Oh my god, another one of my fucking red lights went out. What the fuck? Here we come to gas station number 3. These are the 3 big gas stations that are around me. There's the Kroger one, the BP, and then QT. Wow, I think QT actually has fuel, but not plus fuel, which I kind of need. I can say that when I go to the mountains, I have ran on worse. So I think filling up with the regular gas they have here shouldn't be too bad, because, man, when we went up to the Blood Mountain that one time, gas was like an 87 or something. Like, it was real low. It was pretty crazy. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It may have taken me a little bit, but I think I found some gas. I said site regular only. It'll have to do. Alright guys, I'm gonna get a little bit of the sex juice in the bike, and I'll be right back to you. How's it going?
I'm like, oh shit.
Yeah, man. How you doing today?
Are you?
Yeah.
What the fuck, dude? I fucking knew it.
You need some gas while I'm at it? It's not the best stuff, but it's all that's in town. Yeah, I went to 3 other gas stations. Everyone's empty right now. Yeah, what's up, man? How's it going? I'm Finn.
Nice to meet you, bro. I'm Daniel.
Great to meet you.
Yeah. I was like, dude, that has to be Finn with him. And I have some halos in front.
Hell yeah. Actually, I was just riding around. I noticed in the back of one of the bumpers, one of my little halos actually just went out.
Oh, really?
I think it's to do with the plugs up here. I just had to plug them back in.
Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah. Well, I just gotta say what's up, bro.
Hell yeah, I appreciate you stopping by.
Right around here or no?
This is about where my mom lives, so I'm going to her house. So I'm just,
Okay, that's cool, yeah.
so I'm in this area a pretty good bit.
Yeah, I have my own group that we ride around. There's 2 R1s, 2 Gixxer 1000s.
Hell yeah.
We're always riding around every Monday.
Well, whenever you're going for a ride, man, hit me up on Instagram or something. Maybe we can ride. I love going on group rides.
Yeah, hell yeah. Well, see you, bro.
Great meeting you. Hey, you too. That's a nice bike too. I like that. That's what's up. Shout out to that guy. He seemed like he was pretty cool. I always love meeting fellow riders, especially ones that recognize me. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut this one short just because it's not too long of a ride for me, especially with all this gas being out and not available. So if you enjoyed this video whatsoever, make sure you show me you did by giving me that thumbs up. If you haven't hit that sub button, guys, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Till next time, peace.